In this lesson, we'll be learning about the various Forex market hours and we'll be creating a brokerage firm account. So just pay a very good attention. There are 4 different market sessions which operate around the world every day, on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So here are the time they open in Nigeria and here are the time they close here in Nigeria. This is currently GMT plus 0. If you're in Nigeria, your time zone is GMT plus 1. If you're in maybe other country, your own might be GMT plus 2. But if you're in Nigeria, what you just need to do now, since you're at GMT plus 1, this London that is starting at around 7 a.m. Since you're at GMT plus 1, your own will be starting around 8 a.m. in the morning. That is why you take note that all our bankers here in Nigeria, they will need to go to their bank before 8 a.m. So they need to go and prepare before 8 a.m. so that as soon as 8 a.m. they will start trading in the bank. That's when you to be able to access your capital in the bank. You're able to go into the bank to deposit a large amount of money, and they will also be trading in their back end. So guys, we have London session, we have New York session, we have Sydney section and Tokyo section. For the purpose of this video, since you guys are beginner, I'll be emphasizing more on the London and the New York session because that's the main time we normally trade here in Nigeria. It falls in our day-to-day activity. So in the London session, the most traded pair are GBP pairs because GBP is London currency. So the most traded pairs are GBP currencies. That doesn't mean you won't trade USD. So if you want to trade anything related to GBP, you can trade GBP JPY, GBP USD, GBP AUD, GBP any pairs. So while New York session, you trade all pairs related to USD. New York is in America, so you trade any currency related to USD. So you can trade GBP USD also in New York session. You can trade USD CAD, you can trade USD JPY. Any pair related to USD can be traded in this session. And New York session starts at around 1 p.m. Nigerian time, 1 p.m. West African time, while Sydney session starts at around 10 p.m. West African time. Then Tokyo starts at around 12 a.m. Nigerian time, so West African time, that is GMT plus 1. So these are the session bank operates, and they operate from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Once it is Friday around 10 p.m. all markets close till Sunday around 10 p.m. the market open. The market open at around 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. on Sunday, and it closes on Friday at around 10 to 11 p.m. in the night. So take note of these market time hours. So for the broker, there are a lot of brokers, and here are the function of the broker. This is their role in our day-to-day trading activity. These brokers, what they do for us is that they help us activate our trade. Let's say we want to buy GBP USD. What we just need to do is to deposit our capital into our brokerage firm account. After depositing, although immediately we create our brokerage firm account, we need to, let me go straight to XNext. Let me go straight to XNext so that you see what I'm talking about. So this is XNext page. If you don't have an account, you need to register. You select your country. After selecting your country, maybe you are in Angola, whichever part of the world you are, you select it. Then you select your email address and your preferred password. You go through their terms and conditions, everything. Are you sure you are not a US citizen? If you're a US citizen, maybe there are some additional charges to that. But for me, I'm a Nigerian, so I take this and I click on continue. So after registering, let's say you've done your analysis in the market and you forecast that GBP will be appreciating against USD. So as you want to buy, you set a market order that you want to buy at this so amount. Maybe you want to buy at 1.2700. Then you set your stop loss. Once the market go against me to this level, please, my broker, take me out. Or once the market gets to this certain level in my favor, please, I want to manage this profit. Give me this particular profit and take me out of the market. This is the function of a broker account. So it's very, very important to select a regulated broker, and there's 2 brokers which I can recommend to you guys here in Nigeria. But if you're in America, you can use IC Markets or Handa, whichever broker that is okay. Just do your research by checking out some regulated broker. Reason why I'm emphasizing on regulated broker is that let's assume something happened in the particular country you are. This broker, if they are regulated, there's a platform in which you go to and they will get your funds back to you and send it into your local currency, into your account. So that's why get a regulated broker is very very important in the market. So guys, after registering, what you just need to do now is to log in. Once you log in, what you need to do is to verify your account. You need to send them your means of identification, be it international passport, your driver's license, whichever means of identification you are using in your country. You need to send it, and your address. That is your address. Let's say your bank statement, which is showing your address, or your bill, NEPA bill in your country, whichever stuff they are requesting for you, send it to verify your account. So after you've done that, you need to create a real account or a demo account. Since you are a beginner, what I will advise you to do now is not to deposit. You need to learn first on how to trade. You need to get a strategy. You need to master your strategy before you start using real capital. So I want to create a demo account straight away, and we'll be downloading MT4, and I'll show you guys how to place a trade using MT4 or MT5. So let me click on demo. This is my dashboard. These are my dashboard look like. So you come here and click on demo. Once you click on demo, I already have a demo account, but let me create another demo account. What I need to do now is to click on open new account. If you click on open new account, you change here if you want MT4 or you want MT5. For the sake of this video, I'll be using MT4. So you just check. They are different in what they offer. For you to be able to use this account, you must deposit at least $1. For you to be able to use this professional account, you must have at least up to $500. For you to be able to access raw spread, you must have at least $500 here also. So that's their difference. They also have some other accounts, which is zero accounts. All other ones, I think they are $500, except for the cent account, which is $1. So what I'll be doing, I'll be using this one. I'll be using this standard account, MT4. Now click on continue. So once you click on continue, there's what we call leverage in the market. Let me quickly explain what this leverage means. We are creating a demo account, not a real account. So let me explain what this leverage means. As you can see here, we have up to 1 to 2, 1 to 20, 1 to 50, 1 to 100, 200, up to unlimited. But the one I will recommend you to use is 1 to 100. It all depends on your capital. But for me, 1 to 100 is what I use in the market. So making use of 1 to 100 means if you are depositing $100, what the broker is doing for you is timesing your actual amount you are depositing by 100. And if you are selecting 1 to 200 leverage and you are depositing the same $100, what the broker is doing for you is timesing your $100 by 200, so that whichever trade you are placing, you'll be making more profit. The profit you'll be making with this 200 leverage is higher than the profit you'll be making with this 100 leverage. Don't be too greedy while selecting your leverage in the market, because the higher your leverage, the higher the profit you make, and the higher your leverage, the higher the loss you can easily encounter in the market. So it's recommended you go with 1 to 100. So you select that. Then let's assume we can just change this figure. Since it's a demo account, let's go with like $1,000 account. Then you need to create a password. So I have created a password. The next thing for me to do now is to click on create an account. So my account has been created. The next thing for me to do is to copy my account detail. This is what I'll be copying. This is the account number. But if you don't know, what you just need to do is to come here and you click on account information. So once you click on account information, all the detail about this particular account will display. So here is the account information. The next thing I'll be doing now, I'll just click on copy to copy my login detail. Once I click on copy, then I'll close it. So let me walk to my MT4. You know, we selected MT4 while creating this account. We selected MT4 while creating this account. So what we'll be doing now is you go to your Play Store or your Apple Store, then you download MT4. So for you to log in and start trading this account on your phone, what you just need to do is to copy your login detail, then you check the server. This server is showing Xness trial 10. There are different type of trial 10, but we'll try them out. So guys, what you just need to do now, you get your account information set. So on your phone, what you just need to do is to go to your Play Store. Once you click on it, you patiently wait for it to load. You search for MT4 for Android. So this is the MT4. Here is the MT4. And if you also search for MT5, you search for MT5. This is how the MT5 look like. This is the real MT5. This one here with the blue logo with some snooker ball there. So since it's MT4 we want to use, what you just need to do is to search for the MT4 and get it download into our phone. So we'll download and install it. I already have mine installed on my phone. So what I'll be doing next now is to navigate to it on my phone and open it. And this is the MT4 on my phone. This is also the MT5 on my phone. So let me open the MT4. So here is the MT4. This is how it will look like. But for me to log in this particular account, the next thing I need to do now is to click on the right hand corner here. See this 3 line here? Once you click on it, you click on this plus sign. Once you click on this plus sign, click on login to an existing account, because you've already created the account on the broker site. So once you click on it, then you type in Xness. You hit enter, wait for it to load. So as you can see, we have Xness trial 10 here. We have, let's scroll down, we have some real account also. As you can see, we have Xness real 10. We have Xness trial. This one is VG. While you can see there's no VG on this one, but this one is VG10. So this is not the one we'll be using. So this is the one we'll be using. As you can see, Xness trial 10. So once you click on it, what you need to do, you need to copy this login here. This your MT4 login. So let's type it in 7147613. Then I'll need to input my password. So after inputting the password, the next thing for you to do now is to click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, you wait for it to connect. As you can see, connecting. So it has connected. The next thing for you to do now is to click on, this is the first arrow here, which shows all the currencies that are available. It's not only currency you can trade in the market. You can trade the top 30 companies in the United States of America, which is US 30. You can trade the top 100 companies in America, which is US 100. You can trade US oil, you can trade UK oil, you can trade gold, you can trade silver, you can trade GBP, that is pounds, dollar, whichever commodity or currency you want to trade. Even you can trade cryptocurrency on this kind of platform. So let me show you guys how to bring out currency, because we are dealing with more of currency in this course. So we click on this arrow sign, this plus sign. Once you click on it, as you can see here, if you want to bring out some currency pairs, we need to click on this folder, and this folder is for crypto, while this one is for energies, this one is for indices, this one is for stocks. So click on the Forex, then scroll down. Let's select any currency we want to trade. Since I like trading GBP USD, let me type in, you can easily navigate to it by typing GBP USD. Then this is it, then click on it. It has automatically been added. And let's go back. As you can see now, it is now showing you. If you don't want all these ones to be appearing here, what you need to do is to click on this pencil. Once you click on it, then click on delete this bin here. Once you click on it, you select all other ones you don't want to appear. All these ones, I don't want them to appear. so I'll delete them. Let me go back. So you see, you can't find them again. Then let's say I want to trade this GBP USD. Once I click on, let me open the chart. As you can see, this is the chart. Let me navigate to, let me see, 1 minute time frame. So let's say you want to take a trade now in the market. Here's how you can take a trade. You can take a trade by clicking on this book that is plus sign here. You can take a trade. There's what we call market execution. There are different types of market execution. We have instant execution, that is market execution, and we have buy limit, we have sell limit, we have buy stop, and we have sell stop. I'll be explaining it in another video. Let's just assume we want to take a buy trade. Then let me go for buy trade. So if I'm to buy now, the next thing I'll be doing now is to click on buy. I'll be clicking on buy, and if I want to sell, I'll be clicking on sell because it's on market execution. So I'll be coming to that gradually. Buy, let me take a buy trade. So our order is open. So since we take this trade with 0.3 and our leverage is 1 to 100, that means for every pip movement against us, we'll be losing $3. For every pip movement against us, we'll be losing $3. That's what it means. And now we can also modify to set our stop loss, and we can set our take profit. In the next or subsequent video, we'll be discussing about how to place order, set your take profit, set your stop loss, and various ways you can use to place trade in the market. So guys, let's wait for a little profit, then I'll close out. So let's check the balance. As you guys can see, our balance has dropped from 1,000 to 999.70 because we are currently losing 30 cents. And now that we are in profit of $3, you see the equity has increased to 1,003. That's how it works. So now we close with a profit of just $3, and let's check out our past trade we've taken in the market. Here's where we can see all the history of the trades we've taken in the market. Let's click on today for it to refresh it out for us. So this is the trade we just took, although it closed at around 2.70 cents. That is $2.70. So that's why we're having profit of $2.70 added to our $1,000. So that is how to place trade in the market. So the key thing you need to just pay attention to now is learn how to trade first before you fund your capital into the forex market. So that's all for this lesson.